All right, today I'm here with my Mercury Grand Marquis, a nice luxurious boat, and I absolutely love this vehicle. But we've had a little bit of snow and some stuff, so it is getting dirty. So let's spray this vehicle off, because as you can tell, it's getting pretty dirty. And this vehicle's never seen snow or winter, but now we got a little bit of salt built up. So let's spray her off. All right, time for soap. There we go. All right, and just like that, everything is done. Now, all I did is I spray everything off, and I just used the soap that comes straight out of the gun. I did not use the brush. This is just to get the salt off. But even though the car is still wet, you can really see that this car, even though it's from the 90s, still has a decent amount of shine to the paint. There's no rust on this vehicle yet, and I want to keep it that way. It was never driven in the winter until, obviously, I got it. But I just want to try to keep this old girl relatively clean. As you can see, the paint's actually pretty decent. Like I said, still wet, obviously. I forgot to bring my microfiber towel. But overall, this is something everyone should do. When you have a vehicle, whether it's new, old, your only vehicle, or you have multiple cars, if you live somewhere where you get snow, salt, and all that stuff, please just rinse off your car, spray it off, do what you can to keep it lasting. It's always a shame when you see a cool car that's just rusted out and you're like, oh man, if only you took care of it, it would have been a really cool car. But let me know in the comments below, guys. Do you have a cool car? Do you maintain it even when it's winter out? Do you still get cold and frosty? Come out here and spray your cars, make sure it stays good. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below.